everybody. How are you today? Welcome to our lesson. And today I have to review some lesson for you. And this lesson we studied in semester 1 already. So I have to review again. If I don't review, I think you cannot understand well. So please pay attention on these sentence structures. Okay, sentence structures we have studied already in semester 1, but maybe very fast. Okay, and today I have to tell you again about sentence structures. So how many kinds of sentence structures are there? Okay, you can see here. There are 3 kinds of sentence structures in English. Okay, the first is simple sentences. The second is compound sentences, and complex sentences, compound complex sentences. Okay, so there are 4. Okay, and in number 1, okay, before we start number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, look at here. I want you to look at number 1. Number 1, I mean simple sentences. Okay, so what is a simple sentence? What is a simple sentence? Okay, a simple sentence contains one independent clause. Okay, it means one I see. Okay, here. A simple sentence, I mean one I see. Or you can say one subject, one verb. Okay. And I told you already last semester, my brother. Okay, now phrase here. My brother works in a bank. Okay, my brother works in a bank. My brother is a subject, and only one subject, only one. Okay, because you can see here one clause. One clause has only one subject and one verb. One clause cannot have 2 or 3 subjects. No, just only one. Okay, again, my brother works in a bank. Okay, so one subject, one verb, and blah blah. Okay, and Dara. Okay, look at here. Dara and Kuntia come from Cambodia. Okay, so Dara and Kuntia. I think some students say 2 subjects, but I don't think so. Just only one subject, but we call compound subject. Okay, so Dara and Kuntia, only one subject. Come from Cambodia. Come, one verb. Another one, John lives and works in Kratie. John, one subject, lives and works, only one subject, but compound verb. Compound verb also one verb, not 2 verbs, because one place. Okay, one place, one. Okay, John lives and works in Kratie. One subject, one verb. Okay. Danny and Sophie study and work at uni. Okay, Danny and Sophie, one subject, but compound subject, because one and another one join with conjunction and we call compound subject. Okay, so compound subject here stand as one subject. Study and work. Study and work. Study verb, work also verb, and is a conjunction. So join together we call compound verb, but only one verb, not 2 verbs. Okay. So this is simple sentence, right? Simple sentence. Again, simple sentence refer to only one IC. We can say one independent clause. Just only one independent clause. Okay? Or we can say one subject, one verb. But you know, one subject. What is a subject? Okay, and how many kinds of subjects are there? I think you can remember because in semester 1 I told you already, right? How many kinds of subjects are there? Okay. So I think you can remember. Please tell me and comment on Google Classroom. Okay. Or your friend, right, can comment it. And someone who doesn't understand, you can ask your friend or ask me in the comment. Okay. So sentence structure, there are 4. You can see here already. But this video I tell you only one sentence structure. Okay. The first, simple sentences. Okay. So simple sentences again and again, right? Simple sentences refer to only one IC or only one independent. Okay, not 2. Just only one. No DC. No DC in this sentence. Okay. No DC. Just only one IC. Okay. Not 2, not 3. Only one, remember. So only one IC we call simple, right? Simple here. A simple sentence. Contains an independent clause. So independent here, you can say I see. Okay. Independent. Okay, so see you next video. I will tell you again about simple sentence, and then I continue to teach you in number 2, compound sentences. Okay, see you next video. Okay, good luck.